In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to duplicate a section of a circuit in the same workspace. Duplicating a portion of a circuit is a great way to save time and keep your design consistent, especially when you're reusing a proven subcircuit. We'll walk through a simple, reliable process so you can copy exactly what you need without disrupting the rest of your layout. Start by selecting the components and wires you want to copy. The easiest way to do this is to click in an open area and drag a box around everything you want to include. As you draw the box, make sure all relevant parts are fully enclosed, including the connecting wires and any small junctions. If something isn't highlighted, it won't be duplicated. Zoom in if needed so you don't miss thin wires or tiny nodes, and try to avoid grabbing anything extra, like unrelated parts or labels that sit nearby. If your workspace shows a selection highlight, take a second to confirm that only the intended components and wires are selected. With your selection in place, right-click on the selected area to open the context menu. Choose Copy. At this point, nothing moves on your canvas. You're simply placing the selected circuit elements onto the clipboard, preserving their relative positions and connections within the selection. Now decide where you want the duplicate to go. Move your cursor to the target location, then right-click again to bring up the context menu at that spot. Select Paste. The copied circuit elements will appear, maintaining the same spacing and orientation as the original. You can move the group as one unit to position it exactly where you want it. Take advantage of any grid or snapping guides that your workspace provides to align the duplicate cleanly with existing parts. Keep a little breathing room around the placement so you don't accidentally overlap existing nets or components unless that's intentional. Once you've positioned the duplicate, give it a quick visual check. Confirm that the entire subcircuit came over. All the components, the connecting wires, and the junctions you expected. Look for any places where wires might unintentionally touch existing lines, and make sure the duplicate sits where it won't be confused with the original. A careful placement now will prevent connection errors later in your design process. And that's it. By boxing your selection, right-clicking to copy, and right-clicking to paste at the destination, you can reliably duplicate circuit sections within the same workspace and keep your workflow fast, clean, and consistent.